Hi guys, this is Jot. In today's video we are going to check out the Envie ceramic detail spray from DIY Detail. This one is one of their new products. I'm going to use it on this car. After I washed and dried the car, I will apply some on the surface, spread it or apply with one towel, and I will buff with another one. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting, knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting, knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail Envie ceramic detail spray. It has a very nice fruity scent, a sweet fruity scent. I'm not sure which fruit it is, and I don't want to say bollocks, but it reminds me, as far as I recall, from years ago, the PNS bead maker that had, I think, a similar scent, and that was one of my favorite before. So this one has a really nice scent. Just to show you, I barely had to use any, and I think I even used too much, maybe one spray more per panel than I supposed to. Other than that, it was easy to apply, easy to buff. Even if there was some water sitting here and there, I didn't have to apply elbow grease whatsoever. It gave a nice shine to the surface. It is very slick, and also it has a nice water beading. So all in all, I can hands-on heart recommend. It's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.